Okay, so here are my saplings. I gave them a little bit of sun yesterday and some today as well. All of the leaves are there and photosynthesis is in full effect. I haven't seen any kale or any Swiss chard yet, and the thyme I'm worried may be a bit too small to make its way through the sponge, but these are all the basils, I think. Pretty sure, like that guy right there looks like a 3-leaf clover. That's a red Shiraz because of the purple color compared to that, which I think is a Genovese. And there's a little weak one back here I'm a bit worried about because he looks pretty scrawny, but I have them in the back window now, so we don't really get direct sunlight, but I had them in the front yard this morning getting some direct sun because it was quite cool. And here I got my dog keeping me company, right buddy? Yeah, he's a bit sleepy. Anyway, so these guys are going pretty well. Still waiting for the other guys to show up, but we have a video of the successful assembly of our barrel system, so you'll be seeing that shortly.